For Your Money is brought to you by NelsonCorp Wealth Management.
It's now time for Your Money. We're joined by David Nelson, CEO of NelsonCorp Wealth Management. Welcome back, David, and Merry Christmas.
Thank you, and happy holidays to you, too.
All right, so given the losses in the stock market this year, we have heard a lot of talk about tax loss harvesting. Can you talk a little bit about how that tax strategy impacts the market itself?
Well, the harvesting part of it, it's a pretty common strategy. I think many individuals probably out there have heard of it. It's only applicable with taxable accounts. I think that's really key. You hear people talk about it with IRAs and 401ks. That doesn't apply. And it's a way to share some of the losses as far as that you have with the IRS. So essentially what you do is you take the losses as far as you capture those this year, and hopefully you have some gains elsewhere, and you can kind of put the two next to each other. The chart I brought along today is essentially looking at the S&P, and it's breaking out the various sectors. And what we're looking at here on the left is that's energy, and energy really has had a spectacular year. Far right are the losses, and that's you got real estate over there, consumer discretion, et cetera, et cetera. And the idea is, as far as that we want people to focus on, is when people start selling and taking advantage of some of these tax rules, the bottom line is typically they go for the ones that are the biggest losses that they have in their portfolio, and that would be most likely the stuff on the far right. So that's the area that we're focusing on today.
So what can viewers do with an understanding of those dynamics?
Really important. And again, there's a lot of people out there, they do a rebalance on a regular basis as far as their portfolio. In other words, sell some stuff and buy some stuff. You really want to be careful on that this year with the extremes that we've seen as far as in some of those areas. But that also is going to create a nice opportunity for people trying to take advantage of some of the stuff that's down.
All right, David, as always, thanks for joining us.